We are here at the Eleet Cryogenics booth for one of my favorite traditions. At the annual convention every year, Eleet does a silent auction for some equipment that all gets donated to the GAWDA Gives Back Charity. So Doug, can you tell us about what you were auctioning off today?
Yeah, we're auctioning off a 1,500-gallon fully rehabbed bulk tank, a new 5,000 cubic foot an hour vaporizer, and a 1-inch dual final line regulator, the entire package. We normally sell for $42,000. We're thankful to see that folks have bid up over the normal retail price of that, so it's an honor, and we're very happy to support Black Dagger Military Hunt Club. So thank you, and OE Meyer, thank you.
Absolutely. So as Doug mentioned, the winners here, OE Meyer, you guys donated $43,080, or we didn't donate, you bid $43,080, which will then be donated to GAWDA Gives Back. So Brian, tell me the significance of $43,080.
Sure, we went with $43,080, with the 80 being in honor of GAWDA's 80th anniversary.
Absolutely, and all of that $43,080 gets donated to the Black Dagger Military Hunt Club as part of GAWDA Gives Back. Obviously, this one's special for you guys. You work with Woody. This is his year, his charity. So, Mike, can you tell us about what this means for you?
It's special, and again, we want to support Woody. We want to support GAWDA. This is such a great organization, and just all the networking that we all benefit from. It's a great cause.
Absolutely. Well, Doug, this is, like I said, one of my favorite things that you do every year. So, thank you for continuing. Brian and Mike, thank you for doing this, and Black Dagger Military Hunt Club's better off for it. So, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Doug.